Thrift Treasures. Making easy money with store flips. Discover the art of turning thrift store finds into profitable treasures. Join us in this exciting journey of thrift store flips as we unveil the secrets to making easy money by transforming ordinary items into valuable assets. Explore the world of hidden gems waiting to be discovered in thrift stores and learn how to unlock their potential for maximum profit. Don't miss out on this lucrative adventure. Start your thrift store flipping journey today. Hey there, treasure hunters. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something truly exciting for you. A guide to turning those thrift store finds into easy money. That's right. It's time for some thrift treasures and store flips. I'm your host, and together, we're diving into the world of profitable ventures hidden in the aisles of thrift stores. Before we unravel the secrets, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things treasure-worthy. Now let's get flipping. The thrill of the hunt. There's a certain thrill that comes with hunting for treasures in thrift stores. You never know what gems you might stumble upon. From vintage furniture to rare collectibles, these stores are a gold mine waiting to be explored. Our first keyword for today, thrift store flips, perfectly captures the essence of this adventure. Here are a few examples of items people commonly search for in thrift stores. Vintage clothing. Look for classic pieces from past decades, like leather jackets, denim jeans, or retro dresses. Brands and styles that are no longer in production can be hidden gems. Collectible vinyl records. Check the music section for vinyl records, especially those from popular or niche artists. Limited editions, rare pressings, or albums from iconic bands can be valuable. Antique furniture. Keep an eye out for well-crafted and unique furniture pieces. Items like mid-century modern chairs, vintage dressers, or antique tables can be found at reasonable prices. Explore the artwork section for paintings, prints, or photographs. Sometimes you may find valuable pieces or unique frames that can be repurposed for new art. Hunt for classic electronics like vintage cameras, record players, or retro gaming consoles. These items, especially in good working condition, can be both nostalgic and valuable. Browse the bookshelves for first editions, signed copies, or books from renowned authors. Some old or out-of-print books can have significant value. Keep an eye out for accessories such as handbags, scarves, or sunglasses from well-known designers. Sometimes, high-end brands can be found at a fraction of their original cost. Unique home decor. Explore the home decor section for quirky or vintage items such as vases, lamps, or wall art. Sometimes, these unique pieces can add character to your home. Remember, the key to successful treasure hunting in thrift stores is patience and an open mind. You never know what hidden gems you might discover in the aisles of second-hand stores. Easy money-making strategies. Now let's talk about the money-making part. Turning a profit from thrift store finds requires a keen eye and a bit of creativity. Stay tuned as we reveal some easy money-making strategies that will turn your thrift items into valuable assets. Certainly, turning thrifted items into valuable assets can be a rewarding venture. Here are some tips and tricks to help you maximize profits. Research before buying. Learn about valuable brands, trends, and collectibles in the market. Understand what items are in demand and have resale potential. Choose items in good condition. Check for any damages, stains, or missing parts. Items in excellent condition generally fetch higher prices. Take the time to clean and, if possible, restore thrifted items. A little effort in cleaning, polishing, or repairing can significantly enhance the item's appeal and value. Create themed bundles to increase the perceived value. For example, combine vintage kitchenware into a complete set or pair matching accessories for a curated look. Utilize online platforms. Use online platforms like eBay, Etsy, or specialized resale apps to reach a broader audience. Research the best platform for the type of items you are. Craft detailed and compelling product listings. Highlight unique features, provide accurate descriptions, and use high-quality photos to attract potential buyers. Be mindful of when you list your items. Consider seasonal trends, holidays, or specific events that might increase demand for certain products. Networking and collaboration. Build connections with other resellers, collectors, or enthusiasts. Networking can lead to valuable insights, collaborations, and potential buyers. Social media market. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your thrifted finds. Create engaging posts, share stories about the items, and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Stay informed about market trends, pricing strategies, and popular resale platforms. Continuous learning will help you adapt to changes and stay competitive. Transforming finds into treasures. It's time to unlock the potential of your thrift store haul. In this segment, we'll showcase the art of transforming ordinary items into extraordinary treasures. Whether it's upcycling, repurposing, or a simple DIY makeover, we've got you covered. Spotlight on Thrift Treasures. Get ready for a spotlight on Thrift Treasures. We're highlighting some incredible finds that turned a hefty profit. These success stories will inspire you to see the potential in every corner of the thrift store. Vintage designer clothing. A savvy shopper found a vintage designer dress from a well-known fashion house in a thrift store. The dress, in perfect condition, turned out to be a sought-after piece and sold for a significant profit to a fashion enthusiast. Antique furniture. A person discovered a neglected antique dresser in a thrift store, beautifully crafted with intricate details. After refinishing the piece and highlighting its original charm, it sold at an auction for several times the thrift store purchase price. Signed artwork. An art lover spotted a painting in a thrift store that turned out to be a signed and authenticated piece by a renowned artist. The buyer acquired it for a fraction of its market value and later sold it at an art auction for a substantial profit. Well, treasure hunters, that concludes our guide to making easy money with thrift store flips. I hope you're as excited as I am to embark on this journey. Remember to use our keywords, store flips, thrift treasures, and easy money as your compass in the world of thrifting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thrift store flip success stories in the comments below. Until next time, happy hunting!